All right, second grade, if we look at our calendar for today, then we see that today's date is Tuesday, April 27th, 2021. If we write out the date that we just built, then we would write that today is April 27th, 2021, or we could abbreviate it to 04-27-21. Today is the 145th, or day number 145 of school. There is a digit of 1 in the hundreds place, which means we can represent it with one flat or one group of 100 ones to represent 100. There is a digit of 4 in the tens place, which means we can represent this digit with 1, 2, 3, 4 rods, or 4 groups of 10 to represent the place value of 40, the value of 40, I should say. And we see there is a digit of 5 in the ones place. So we're going to build 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, or 5 units, to represent our 5 ones, or our value of 5. If we look at our 200s chart, and we look at the number 145, we see that we're going to need to add a red circle, since all the numbers in this column that end with a 5 in the ones place, and all the numbers in the column where there is a 0 in the ones place have a red circle, showing that if we evenly continue to add by 5 or skip count by 5, we will land in this column. Today's interesting holidays include National Devil Dog Day, National Prime Rib Day, and National Tell a Story Day. All right, second grade, have an awesome rest of your day.